I've never seen a truck like this have 615s in it. Like, I don't know what you were thinking, because most people will put 2 or 3, but 6. What kind of alternator's back there?
I got the Alternator 370 pure power, and the other one's just a 300 amp E-base special.
Okay.
I got the small one running this yellow top.
Yeah.
That's just for the truck. The 370 runs the lithium in the base.
What kind of lithium and how much?
It's 80 amp hour CES.
Okay.
Before I had that, I had 7 AGMs in here, and when I played a low base, it would.
Yeah.
The low base would take it below 10 volts with 7 AGMs.
Ooh. Did this 180 amp hour did better than all that AGM?
Yeah, I don't go below 14
Nice.
with that one lithium. It's incredible. It's a game changer, really.
Wow. And this is what kind of subwoofers?
Those are 5 Orion HCCA 15 2-ohm dual twos.
Okay.
And it's one American Base X Max 15 2-ohm.
So what made you decide to put an American base over the Orion?
Because they mistakenly sent me one 4-ohm,
Oh, okay.
and I didn't want to do it. So when I sent
Yeah.
it back, they were going to send me a 2-ohm. But then they told me they're on back order, so they said, this is about the same, the frequency and the ratings and all that.
Yeah.
They said it would work in the same box, so I was a little skeptical, but I did it anyways.
So you're wiring, how is it wired to the amps?
So each sub has its own amp, and they're at 1 ohm apiece. I'm running 1 ohm.
So 1 ohm per 2500 watt amp.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. Do you know the specs of the box?
It's, I believe it was 12.5 cubes. Originally that box was just for 315s, but I built a wall for 6 of them, and I built it too big, so I didn't feel like building a whole nother wall, so I put my 315 box back in there, cut 3 holes on top, and that's it.
All right. What did you peak at?
42 hertz.
That's actually really good for the size of the box.
I was surprised.
Yeah.
When I sweeped it out, 42 hertz was my beat.
I've never seen a truck like this have 615s in it. Like, I don't know what you were thinking, because most people will put 2 or 3, but
I
6.
paid $1 for the truck. I'm like, I don't care what it does to it.
Yeah.
I really paid $1. It's got air conditioning and everything.
Wow.
For $1.
Nice.
I said I was gonna go all out for $1.
All right, man. Yeah, I'll get a demo. I would love it.
Oh, you hit that lever on the side, the top will go back a little bit.
Okay. So you got just some Pioneer 6.5s?
Yep, I actually just put those pods in recently.
Okay.
Place in South Carolina makes these custom pods. They're pretty neat.
All right.
Yeah, that actually fell through too. I ordered some better speakers from Amazon, and they didn't fit for some reason in those 6.5 holes. But I had some Pioneers at home to put in place.
Are you loudest with the window all the way up, all the way down?
Halfway.
Halfway? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow. Yeah, I'm still impressed. Like, I've never seen a system like, you fit so many subs in one area.
Yep. That's
Like,
going to be
it's
a wall.
impressive. Are you going to wall all 6 of them?
I'm going to do the wall. See, I built the first wall because it came out a little too big, but I'm going to redo it.
Okay.
I got toggles on
Ooh.
everything.
DS18 tweeters?
Yeah, my radio won't stay in the, because the bass throws it out.
Yeah. Bass head issues?
Yes. They're good bass head issues though.
Yeah.
And I got everything toggled.
You installed all of this?
I did it all myself.
Nice.
From the alternators to the building my boxes.
Where'd you get the bracing at?
Walmart.
Really?
$20.
Oh, hey, it works.
It does.
All right. Wait, what?
I just popped the fuse. There it is. I see it.
Sure.
Yep.
No.
Sure did. I went so hard a little bit ago. Yep.
It popped the fuse already?
Yeah.
Do you have a spare?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yeah, you want to?
That's not good though. That means you're really, these amps are powerful.
I told you.
Man.
They're pushing up. They're taking that much power. Woo. I wonder how many I just popped. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it just popped.
I don't see it pop. Did it?
See how many I popped.
So you've done this before?
Oh, yeah, I got extra. Because really, I should have bigger wire in there, but I don't.
That is insane, dude. That's a lot of pressure for just that little cabin.
Yeah.
That truck.
Yeah, I just blew a fuse just now. Oh, I blew 1, 2, I blew 4. I blew all
Just
4
like that.
coming out the lithium. Those amps are that powerful.
Oh my God.
Look at all those wires too, man. That's how powerful those amps are.
What are the fuses rated at?
Those are 500 amp fuses I put in there this morning.
Oh my gosh.
And I just shredded all of those. You can put it on a video if you
Oh, I'm
want.
sorry.
I don't
What
even
was your
mind.
name, by the way?
Tony Schaff.
Tony.
Nice
Thank you,
to meet
Tony.
you, man,
Yes,
finally.
sir. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, Tony.
I don't even mind. Normally it's embarrassing. You can put it on.
I am so sorry, man.
Dude, you can put it on the video if you want. I don't care.
Okay.
Shows you how powerful this little amp is.
Yeah, that is insane. 2,500 watt amps, and you said it clamped over 6K on the videos you've seen them, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I know. And when
Wow.
he drops into 0.8, he's doing over 7,500 watts at 0.8.
Man.
Big D whiz.
Yeah.
I got all the bass boosts turned all the way down.
Yeah.
I can put some fuses in it if you want good. It's up to you. Caught me too, man. I ain't gonna lie. For 1 minute I was gonna leave. But
Really? What did you meter?
154.96, I think.
154.96 at 42 hertz.
Yeah, 43 hertz.
43 hertz.
Yeah.
And you were expecting a 60.
Yes. Yeah. My meter
With-
at the exact same time said 170, but.
Yeah. With the amount of power you have in cone area, it's 60 is capable for sure. I bet you when you wall it, you'll have more space to be able to optimize your
Yeah,
output
I think it needs to go.
Las piezas que necesites. Ponlas.
I like what you said though about not running with fuses.
Toggles.
Oh, that'll turn everything off just on that switch.
That's the highs, and this is the bass. I got 2.
Brilliant.
Well, I got 3. I got
Have
one.
you ever considered a bass knob that controls both?
I
of them?
have. I just haven't been able to afford it.
Yeah.
Told you about the budget baller.
That's right. All you can do to budget. Yep.
That's it, man.
Yeah, man. I understand.
Yep. I'm glad y'all come back for the hair trick.
Yeah, that was a great one. So the only thing I can suggest if you were to, honestly, is if you would have had a bigger port area. For 415s, your port area is really
I
small.
got 2 of those though.
Oh,
There's one over here too.
Okay, so you.
But it's still because it was originally for
Yeah.
315s.
Do you know what? Yeah.
Remember?
And you made it into the 6.
Right.
Yep.
So
Nice.
Yeah.
That was a great hair trick, man. And it's really punchy. And it's impressive to see that you can play the lows like that with a box like that. So I appreciate the demo, man.
Hey man.
That was great.
I'm glad y'all come back.
Voltage. not running to pieces.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.